Hello guys, previously I showed you guys my new system from LaVivid. This is the European hair, how long the system is. This is not pre-cut. Quality of the hair is incredible. And my idea about this new system, I don't want to shave my whole hair. As you guys can see, I'm really bald from the front to the back. So what I'm planning to do with this system, I'm gonna shave my whole hair from the front to the back, and I'm gonna let my front line and try to match with the system. So my idea is I'm gonna let just a little bit of baby hair here in the front, right? Just like a thin line. I'm gonna do this correctly after, but let's say just like a little line here in the front, and I'm gonna shave all the rest and place the system in the rest of my head. So I'm just gonna use the hairs in the front, technically the baby hair. So this is gonna make like my front line be really natural. So I shaved everything, and I told you guys I would let just like a thin line in here. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna just put the mold inside and do the cut. I'm just gonna make sure I'm gonna cut exactly the same way that my head is. So as you guys can see, I did a straight line in here. I usually cut a little bit over, so if I have to adjust, I still have something. So when I place the system in my head, I'm gonna try to show you guys here. Look, he is supposed to be exactly in the spot that has no hair. You see, I still have to fix, I still have to put the tape and everything, but technically it's going to be right here in the front. And of course, my natural hair is shorter than the system. So what I'm gonna probably have to do, I'm gonna have to cut the system and match the sides. But at the same time, I can do something like this. And you see, look, it's gonna match with the system and my hair, because the important here is the front line. So I'm gonna tape and let's see how it's gonna look like. So here it is, the system. Make a better haircut, but look, the front line, as I told you guys, just a little bit of my hair, and all the rest is the system. I love it. So of course you guys see here under, my hair is too short, but if you wear like this, it's definitely incredible. So I want to say thank you, LaVivid, for this system. This again is the European hair system from LaVivid. The difference technically of the hair is the hair is more straight than the other, has less chemicals than the other, and plus the colors is usually more reddish than the other ones. So I love this system. I hope to see you guys soon. Thank you.